mouth. Okay? নাক দিয়ে আমরা শ্বাস নেব এবং মুখ দিয়ে আমরা কি করব? শ্বাস ছাড়বো ধীরে ধীরে। After every few poses, we will take deep breath. We will take breath with nose and exhale with mouth. Okay? Three to 5 times. Take a deep breath. Release the breath. Okay? Okay, now we're going for new pose. Spread your feet. Okay? Take your hands to the front and then gradually bend down.
Two, three,
No sit.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
It is important for your thigh, and also important for your knees. Okay? Yes, sir. So this time we are going to touch our hands to the floor. Okay? First of all, for those who have the knee problems, this is not difficult for you.
Listen, boys. Listen to the instruction.
Okay? Let us first of all sit. Okay? Then keep your knees on the floor.
Doesn't matter. Do it.
You will change, no problem. Take your hands to the front. Okay? No, to the front. Not
Front.
Okay. Not touching your knees, okay?
Don't touch your knees.
Keep a distance of 2 feet. Okay? Then
2 feet.
be like this. Straight. Make your back straight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. So this exercise will help your bone and especially the backbone to keep fit. And also if you have any kind of shoulder pain, that will also relieve your shoulder pain. Okay? Okay, now another pose. Again, touch your knees.
Please touch your knees. Do it slowly so that you are not hurt.
So take the hand like this. Okay? Everyone please. Everyone in the back. Everyone in
Take
the
with your
back.
hand, shoulder space like that.
Okay? Then touch the floor.
Touch the floor.
No, you will have to maintain exactly the same distance. Okay? You cannot bring here. Exactly the same distance you will make. You will keep.
Yeah.
Then just see how I'm doing.
Yes, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Okay. So this one will keep your waist fit. Okay? And also you can make your arms stronger with this exercise. Okay, sir? So I straight like this.
Please follow, sir.
straight like this. You see, you should not
have to do it.
sit like this. You
All
should
of you.
sit like this. Like this. No. Like this. Keep your feet like this. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Less sound, more action.
Okay? Then it is something like this. Count, sir.
Rhythm with double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Don't stand up. Sit down. Don't stand
Please
up.
sit down again.
Remain seated like this. Okay. If you have any physical problem, sometimes you can a bit be relaxed in doing this. Okay. So the same pose, but this time we will take our hands to the front.
Front, hands front. Touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Okay. Okay. So this time we will try a different pose.
Please stand up. Don't relax. Listen.
Take
No
your,
break down.
take your right foot 1 foot away. Okay? Right foot. See, you're not straight. This line is not straight.
Please, may I ask you to make the line straight?